Let us open an existing file that we have shared here. We have credit analysis file, so we'll open that one. We had created the graphs for the different options of analysis that we had conducted. We had created this is also side-by-side graph only that we had created. We also created a pie chart. So given the pie chart, let us bring this, let us create a dashboard and analyze the pie chart out there. Click here on, let's click on the dashboard, create a new dashboard. Let's drag the pie chart here. So what are we seeing here? This is we can exclude this, right? So when we exclude that, we can see the credit utilization ratio values here. And we're also seeing the high spend, large value payments. We see high spend, medium value payments. So these are the different values that we are seeing here, their respective credit utilization ratios. So that is something that we are able to see here and analyze, of course. And if you want to add any text out here, let us add text. Add the text here, or make the changes here also. You can remove the container, you can distribute contents evenly, select the container horizontally. Again, this is for the default view. If you change it to phone view, then in phone view, this will be click on device preview. These are the different phone types that are applicable here. Based on the, it will appear in the given way. So that is, this is the default view. That was your phone view. You can also add a tablet view. So I click on dashboard, I click on device layouts, I click on add tab. That's a deselect this, unlock it, or auto generate. You can click here to auto generate the layout. That is how it generates. Click on that, you can optimize the layout also. So layout optimization is carried by the software itself. So yes. So that is how your phone layout will appear. For what? For which phone type? That will be for iPhone X, XS, 11, 11 Pro. So if you change this here to some other kind of Samsung or Google Pixel, then you change accordingly. So you can, of course, move them around here. So depending on the choices that you make here for the model against the corresponding device type, those changes will be reflected over here in the dashboards. So typically we created the dashboards. We also understood the size and layout of the dashboard. We created dashboards for different devices such as desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Now we are managing the sheets in dashboards. That's what we have done here. Let's save as. Desktop. So here. Session essentially 5 analysis. So this is how you create the pie chart dashboard. So what is this? This is about payment views. I'm renaming this sheet as here. That's for the side-by-side graph. So let's create another dashboard here. Drag and drop the side-by-side graph. If I were to select all of these, this is how it will look like. If you change, this is the change value. So if you want to select the change credit limit, you can keep it. You can exclude it also. then in such a case, this is how the credit utilization ratio and the number card will appear all look like. Come back here on the down, you can click on and show credit buttons. No, we don't have the add motion credit buttons, we don't need them. So if you want to edit any buttons, you can also add all the remove the edit buttons. It's So this is for all of them. If you want to see the credit score for only the 4 people of the book, so it should show you all. This is what this is credit score analysis. So credit score dashboard. So again, as you can see here, this is what device type. The device type is what defaultly changing the phone. This is how it will appear in the phone. If you change this here, okay, you can also do that. The credit score out here that can be selected in accordance. So all the credit utilization ratio also will be evidently it shows the credit utilization ratio from this bar chart in particular and the number credit account. So this is how the credit score is. This is how your dashboard is designed for which layout. For the phone layout, and if you go for the device preview, and in the device preview, you can always select which kind of phone you want. You're selecting it's a generic smartphone, changing it to iPhones also, or Samsung Galaxy Pixel series. So depending upon the layout, you can change. Depending upon the device, you can change the layout. Out here, you can export this if you want. Also show the title. It's a title, yes. It's a title, and choose not to. That's not good to be shown, but let's show the title. So that's a credit score dashboard. Mobile format. Suppose if I will come here and save this, export this image. Dashboard. Mobile layout. That is how I'm saving this. If you want to change this layout again to some other kind of layout, something like tablet. So I'm selecting this here as what I have tablet format. So I'm again clicking on dashboard here. I export that image. Dashboard. Tablet layout. Save it. Also add a tablet layout here. Customize the tablet layout. This is the default setting that they have provided us with. Delete it as well, you don't want that. So in iPad itself, you can also have the tablet sizes that you can adjust it. Let's save this.